Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install Minecraft on PC for free. So let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Minecraft. Then open the first website, Minecraft. Next, on the top right side here, click on Get Minecraft. Now it will ask you how do you want to play. So you have to select your platform. If I select computer, then it will ask you to buy the game, you can see. But if you want to download it for free, on the top left side here, click on Games and then go to Minecraft. And here we have this option, Try it free. So click on it. Now scroll down and click on the button, Download Now, and a Minecraft installer will be downloaded. So you just have to simply download and install Minecraft on your PC and enjoy it. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.